Okay, so this is my first experience with the stream. Let's see how this goes. In this video, I would like to try out PEM with a HyperFIDO key that I currently have and own. So I'm taking it out of the keyboard now, of the computer. Let me see, HyperFIDO U2F key. This is the type of key that I'm going to be using. It's a relatively inexpensive key. It supports U2F, FIDO2, and HOTP. It's about 26 euros here in this website. All right, so I've taken the key out. Let me see. Yep, so the device is detached. And now let's start installing the things. So I had already tested this before, and therefore the packages should be already installed. But nonetheless, we need to pkg install PEM U2F and lib U2F-host. If I'm not mistaken. Yes, the packages are already installed. Now let's start configuring the key for a user. So first thing, I'm going to put the key in. So it's currently detached, and I'm going to put the key in, and it should be now attached to the system. Under config ubico, we create this directory, and PEM U2F config to the configuration to ubico and U2F keys. Now it's waiting to press the button, which I'm just going to do now. Press the button and the program has finished. chmod 0600 on this file. No one else should be able to read or write here. And another thing is, which has been done already before, pw and group mod. The group would be the U2F, and the user would be, in this case, TG, the user. Yeah, actually, I'm configuring this for another user. Let me see. Group mod, pw group mod, and I think it should be -m. Yeah, -m. Add user to the group. Okay. pw show group, who is currently in this group, is yeah, all of the users are there. I'm going to configure the su command. So I'm at the user Gaziba. So let me, okay, actually, no, let's do it like this. If I can type. And now I'm root, and let me just switch to another user. Do as a user tg bash. I should be using -u, and oh, okay, that's not it. Okay, now I'm logged in as tg, and su Gaziba, and it's asking me for a password. Okay, so now let's configure su with PEM to ask for the U2F key. We go to etc pemd and su, and here we have an auth sufficient PEM U2F SO. And if I'm not mistaken, this should be enough. Let's see. Do again. Yeah, and now the key is blinking, it's waiting, I press the button. Hooray! I've been able to log in. That's it. It's as simple as this. So log out, I take the mask, I take the key out, and I try again this, and yeah, I am asked for the password now. I put the key back in. You can see that now the key is back in, and again it's asking. So the password, I just press the button, and that's it. Very simple. Okay, now let's try another thing, which is the OAuth. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. pkg install, it should be in my system already. OAuth and toolkit, it's already installed. One thing that needs to be done after installing this is link user local lib security and pem OAuth to user lib. If this is not done, then it will not work properly. Now let's imagine that we are enrolling a user, the user, the user Gaziba. Let's imagine. So as we need a secret, we can get a secret with a random number generator x10. So this is going to be the secret for the user, and we create a file, for example, users OAuth, and here we need to add HOTP T30 with 6, and next is the user, this one here, and with the secret. Okay, chmod 0600 etc users. So let's protect that file, and let's get the su command also, etc pem with su. Okay, let's for the time being uncomment this one out, and OAuth sufficient should also be the sufficient pem OAuth.so. And now we need some configurations. The users file is etc users. Oops. So sometimes my sometimes my keyboard plays some tricks on me. I need to check what's happening with the keyboard. Sufficient and pem OAuth so. Users file is etc, and what did I call it? Users OAuth, right? ls etc. There we go. Again, users etc users OAuth. Yes, users OAuth, and I think window 30 digits equals to 6. I hope this is correct. OAuth sufficient, pem OAuth users. Okay, let's try it. And it's asking me for a password, which is not correct. And this is the su command. So let's see again this file. etc, and with this user I should not be able to see it, so users OAuth. Okay, it is there. Switch to this user Gaziba. Why is it not doing it? HOTP, probably this is the reason. Let's try again. Yeah, it's now asking for the OAuth. Okay. Now let's try to generate a token for this user. So this is a one-time pad. So OAuth, this is a little bit annoying. -v TOTP with 6 digits, and here we need the secret. So we copy this. Okay, a problem with the keyboard, and we paste it here. No, that was not the correct one. Somehow, what's happening with my keyboard? Okay, it's not doing what I want. So invalid numeric value, yes. So yeah, now it pasted, and invalid numeric value. Okay, for sure I forgot the number 6. And okay, this is a little bit difficult to copy, so we're going to take this one here. Okay, let's just open a new tab. -v TOTP 6 digits, and this is the one, and we try this value. We paste it here. Oops, paste it here, and we are logged in. Okay, so now if we try again the same number, it's not working anymore, because this number basically has changed. So if we try again, we get another number, and we can paste it here, and we are in. All right, that's pretty cool. So let's get out from here. Load the file. Yeah, I think it puts the time here of the last login, if I'm not mistaken. Now, if we try to do an, let's go from here, SSH at localhost. It asks for the password. Okay. And let's try to get SSH also to do the same. For that, so, okay, let's forget the SU. etc, I think it's in PEMD SSH. And let's get etc pem su. We had already this one here, so we activate this in SSH, the OAuth. But this is still not enough. If we try to go here and log in, oh, it's asking already for the one-time password, so it's apparently enough. So we can add this, and we are logged in. All right, so that's as easy as it can get. So load the file, so we don't need this one here. And now I'm just curious, let's add this, the U2F in the SSH, and let's try it. Let's try it. So SSH and press the button, and I'm logged in. It works also. Awesome. So and if I take the key out, so you can see I remove the key, it has been detached, and I try to SSH, it asks for my password. Okay. And what happens if I enable both? So the U2F and OAuth, not OAuth, OAuth. Here, I get asked for the password, or I get asked for the token, which I can use it here, and I log in, or key is detached. Let's put the key back in. Let's the keys in. Let's do an SSH. No here. Press the button and we're in. And why did it ask first for the OAuth? Because of the sequence. Yeah. So we can try to write this the other way around. So it's sufficient to have a the token, the U2F or the OAuth. So let's see. The key is still in here. Press the button and we are in. Awesome. Take the key out. Mask, you can see it's detached. SSH, ask for the OAuth. So we need to generate the next number. We put it here. We are in. Or we just press enter and we enter the regular password. That's it. Okay, that was it for my first YouTube stream. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. If you have some comments or suggestions, please use the space down below. Otherwise, I wish you have a really nice weekend. Take care and bye-bye.